Oh, we got us a chub. That's even better.
What's up, y'all? Rich from Soaky Fishing here. Heading down to the creek today, and we're going to try it out for a little while, see how it does. Had a little bit of rain yesterday, and who knows, might have got the fish fired up a little bit. But anyway, we'll be there shortly, and we'll give it a shot then. Well, y'all, we made it down to the creek. She's looking kind of good. She's up a little bit, water's moving a little. So maybe that'll do us some good here in a little while. Let's get some baits out there and see what we got. Well, today, our bait selections are fairly simple. We have our Triple S, which is formerly known as Sunnies. We have big red worms and Canadian night crawlers. And of course, everybody's favorite, the old-fashioned chicken livers. All right, first cast out. Of course, you know we're gonna reel this thing back in really fast too, because you can't catch fish on your first cast. It's just bad juju. So let's reel this back in, get us back in, and we'll send her back out. Chicken liver held, and that's a good thing. All right, out there where we want her. All right, let's cast this out, see if we can catch us a bluegill here real quick to throw on our other rods. We could use us some bluegill or some live bait or something, some sorts. Now hold up. How did my whole ass worm end up gone? Ain't no way that should have happened. Let's get this cast back out. See if we can catch us a little bit of live bait here. Got something. You know what? I will take it. First fish of the day, skunk is off the board. Get a nibble over here too. Not a bad looking little sunfish. Probably too small of a hook, but you never know. We'll see. Alrighty, we've got that out and it's set up and ready to go. Hopefully, might be a kitty come around. We'll see where we go from there. All right, we're gonna check out this rod real quick and see what's going on with it because it was getting a nibble. Well, might help if I actually don't take the thing apart upon holding it. All right, let's see what's going on here. Oh, I got some. There is indeed a fish on here. He's a little one, but there is a fish. Well, baby red here. Number 2. Just had me a little nibble on the bluegill. Use this one as cut bait here. It's bleeding out, it's injured. Send you out this way. Well, I thought I was recording. I wasn't. I did catch another fish. Unfortunately, y'all don't get to see it. I held it up to the camera and everything. It was a little small sunfish like what we've been catching, so. Y'all didn't really miss out on anything. Got a nibble. It's a little one. Caught right here at the bank. Little bitty one. Itty bitty. But a little fish is better than no fish. Thank you, mama. Uh-oh, what we got? That's another nibble. Got him. Boy, we just catching a bluegill today. Don't do a whole lot of anything else though. But that's all right. Oh. Well, see you later, dude. You kind of just did that one to yourself, but it is what it is. Well, I had my camera off. I ended up getting a pretty good bite on this one. So we're gonna see what's going on with it, see why it quit. Oh, I thought we had some. Well, that would explain why. Let's get some more bluegills out here for some cut bait. Wish I'd have brought my cast net. Got him. What do we get? Oh, we got us a chub. That's even better. Nice creek chub is always great. They're lively and they stay on the hook well. Get him sit on the hook like that. Be a good and lively bait. We got some bass around here or something. Got smacked in the ear by a bug. What a catch here. Oh goodness, look at that. Now that is a pretty sunfish. This is a gorgeous sunfish. This will be some flathead candy. Is one gorgeous fish. Let him go back and grow up to get a little bit bigger. Tiny little bumps. Nope. Oh, got him. It's another pretty one. Small, but he's pretty. Good looking little fish. And away he goes. Got something. Ooh, that's a nice one. Another nice. Good Lord, look how pretty he is. Oh, it got splashed right in the eye. Look at all those colors. That is a pretty fish though. Really, really is. Well, y'all, we had a pretty good day today. Didn't really catch anything too awful big, but we did catch some fish. Got some really pretty bluegills while we were here. And we actually caught a different species, a creek chub. So, can't say it was a bad day. Besides, a bad day of fishing is always better than a good day at work. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all the good stuff that everybody tells you to do, depending on what platform you're on. And we'll see you next time. Later.